Buy all your Willys and Jeep restoration parts at thejeepsterman.com, because we're not just Jeepsters anymore.
This is Mark from the JeepsterMan. I want to talk with you a little bit about just the front end on a 68 Jeepster convertible. This particular front end, generally what we call it, is a Ross type steering. And Ross type steering is because it has this bell crank in the middle. And we sell parts for all of this. And you can get on our website, and we have a whole, at thejeepsterman.com, we have a whole category just around front end parts. For instance, this sway bar. You'll only find this sway bar on the early models that have Ross type steering. You won't find it on the Saginaw. But it really helps to keep this vehicle stable, especially at highway speeds. And these bushings wear out. You have bushings up here, you have sway bar link bushings, you have some bushings down there. They wear out over time. And so you can replace them. And we sell all the parts for that. Along with that, we sell all these tie rod ends that you can see right here. We sell a bell crank kit that actually repairs the bell crank up inside the frame. There's a couple bushings in there that also are known to wear over time. And then we sell, for this drag link, we sell this repair kit. And you can see I recently put one in right here on this end. This kit here really gives you even more stability. So a lot of people don't like Ross because it's old-fashioned, it's outdated. But I'll tell you, if everything's new and it's all tight and put on right, they'll steer fine. You just won't have power steering. You got a lot more turning, a little bit like a boat than you would with power steering. But it will steer fine. It'll go down the road fine. I've drove these down the road 80 miles an hour with raw steering on them. But like I say, everything needs to be good, needs to be tight. So those are the main wear points. And again, we sell parts for all them items. You're welcome to call us at 314-798-6462 or visit our website, which is thejeepsterman.com. Thank you.
To get a free copy of the Willys and Jeep Restoration Parts catalog from the Jeepsterman, go to www.thejeepsterman.com and order your free copy today.
Awesome. Actually, you know what?
No high tech at all.
That's